During the initial setup of your Sprocket, you likely paired your iPhone or iPad to your printer. Now your friend wants to connect their iPhone to the same Sprocket. Since Sprocket printers can only pair with one iPad or iPhone at a time, temporarily disable Bluetooth. On your iPhone or iPad, tap Settings, tap Bluetooth, and then turn Bluetooth off. On your friend's iPhone, tap Settings, tap Bluetooth, and turn Bluetooth on. Have them tap your Sprocket printer from the available devices and the printer pairs automatically. When you're sure the connection worked, you can turn your Bluetooth back on from the Settings menu on your iPad or iPhone. Now you can both send photos to the same Sprocket.